Right, welcome back, and if you're new here, my name's Mark and this is Hitman's Bonsai Journey. And today we're going to go up the garden centres for no reason at all. We're just going up there just to have a look about, see if we can find anything. Right, let's go. We're at Oliver's Plants. Let's go in. It's looking good in here. I don't know what I'm looking for today, but I'm sure I'll find something. You got all the cactuses over here, look. Can't see no bonsai stuff yet, but it's all looking good. There's some aces there, look. They're getting there, the thicker trunks. I like this one. That one. It's got a nice bend there, but this is too long for me. See all the buds are coming out on them. Look at this one. That is a beautiful tree. I wonder how much it is. It must have a price on it. Got some nice stuff around here. There we go. That's how much that is. But it is a beautiful tree. Well, that was Oliver Fields. It's a small little nursery. It's nice. It's nice. That tree was lovely. It's miles too much for me, and I've got nowhere to put it. Right, let's go to the next one. Now we're at Cherry Lane Garden Centre. Let's go have a look at this one. There's garden centres and there's garden centres. I know it's only a little tiny one, but damn. You can see why Perry Fields is my favourite. Might be coming back here again. Yeah, it's more of a garden shop. Like, there's all household products in there and everything. It's not, it's not a garden centre. But on to the next one. We're going to have a look in Braintree Garden Centre now. See how we go in here. Definitely better than the last one. Some nice olive tree there. Yeah, again, nice, but Ain't got nowhere to put it. Don't know if you can see this one. That's a nice looking leaf on that acer. Well, it will be when it pops out. But I've got too many aces at home. Don't think I've got room for another one. No, I haven't. Well, let's go and have a look a bit more. It's definitely better than the last one I went at. I think the last place we're going to go today, there's some nice conifers. 100 quid that one. So I haven't found anything that stands out at me. I ain't gonna find it down here. Right, we're going to go to B&Q. They have got a plant section there, they're normally quite cheap in there as well. So we're going to have a look up there, but I do like that one over there. I dare say I'll come back and get that at one point. Alright, let's get to the next one. Good old B&Q. Let's go and have a look in here. Even flipping B&Q's better than that other one we looked at earlier on. Let's have a look. See what we got. There we go. The sun's coming out. I might take all the Hessian sacks off of me bonsai trees in the garden when I get back. Haven't seen what I'm looking for. Maybe they haven't got them out yet. Right, that was the garden centres. The sun's started to come out again now, so I could have done a bit more, but I did buy this one. I did buy this one. And the only reason I bought it, look at all them branches are nuts, mate. It looks like it's been wide, but it hasn't. I think that's just natural. Let me get it in the white background. You can probably see it better. There you go. Look at them. And apparently that's what it's going to look like. So that'll be it for the day. Wind's picked up a bit as well. Right, that'll be it for today. Like, subscribe, do all the sharing, thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Alright, bye.